Welcome to Amazing 7. And today we are counting down our picks for the 7 K-pop idols who are not actually from South Korea. Not every K-pop group is actually made up of Korean singers, and foreign K-pop artists who are not Korean are becoming increasingly commonplace. Hailing from Japan, China, Thailand, Australia and even the US, there are many known Korean members in popular K-pop groups. Here are 7 K-pop idols who are not from South Korea. Number 7. Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang is a prominent figure in the K-pop industry, but he isn't originally from South Korea. He was born on March 28, 1994 in Hong Kong. Wang is best known for his role as a member of the popular South Korean boy group GOT7. He joined JYP Entertainment, a major K-pop entertainment company, through their global audition in 2011, which launched his K-pop career. He is a multi-talented artist skilled in singing, rapping and dancing, and he has made a name for himself as a solo artist as well. In addition to his music career, Jackson Wang is a versatile personality who has ventured into various fields. He is a successful entrepreneur with his fashion brand Team Wang and has also gained recognition for his appearances in various Korean variety shows, showcasing his charismatic and humorous side. Jackson's story is a testament to the global reach of K-pop and the impact of known Korean talent in the industry. Number 6. Rose. Rose, whose full name is Roseanne Park, is a talented K-pop idol who hails from New Zealand. She rose to prominence as a member of the globally acclaimed group Blackpink under YG Entertainment. Born on February 11, 1997 in Auckland, New Zealand, Rose moved to Melbourne, Australia at a young age. Her musical journey began when she auditioned for YG Entertainment's global audition program in Sydney, ultimately earning her a spot in the agency. Her unique vocal prose and charismatic stage presence quickly made her a standout in Blackpink, and she became known for her signature husky singing style. Her international background and fluency in English have endeared her to fans worldwide, and she has actively contributed to the group's global success. Rose's impact extends beyond music as she has become a fashion icon and ambassador for numerous luxury brands. She has also ventured into solo music endeavors, releasing her single album R in 2021, which was met with great anticipation and acclaim. Her multicultural background and diverse talents have solidified her as a prominent figure in K-pop, transcending borders and captivating a global audience with her artistry. Number 5. Lucas. Lucas, a member of the South Korean Chinese boy group Super M, is one of the prominent K-pop idols who are not originally from South Korea. Lucas, whose birth name is Wong, hails from Hong Kong and was born on January 25, 1999. He initially gained recognition as a contestant on the Chinese survival show Keep Running before joining SM Entertainment and debuting as part of the NCT subunit, NCTU. Lucas is known for his charismatic stage presence, versatile talent and striking visuals. He is also multilingual, fluent in several languages, which adds to his appeal as an international idol. His unique background and abilities have endeared him to fans not only in South Korea but also globally. In addition to his activities with Super M and NCT, Lucas has become a popular figure in the K-pop industry, participating in various variety shows and collaborations, further solidifying his status as a beloved K-pop idol. His presence in the industry represents the increasing internationalization of K-pop and highlights the ability of non-Korean talents to make a significant impact in the genre. Expanding the global reach of K-pop music and culture, Lucas has established himself as a standout example of an idol who transcends borders and continues to captivate fans with his talent and personality. Number 4. Nicki. A member of the South Korean K-pop group ENHYPEN, is a talented artist who hails from Japan. Born as Yang Jong In on December 13, 2002 in Japan, he moved to South Korea to pursue his dream of becoming a K-pop idol. Nicki was a standout contestant on the survival reality show Island, which served as a platform to form ENHYPEN. His exceptional dancing skills and captivating stage presence helped him secure a spot in the final lineup of the group. As the lead dancer and rapper of ENHYPEN, Nicki has quickly gained popularity for his charismatic performances and unique style. His dedication to mastering the Korean language and integrating seamlessly into the K-pop industry showcases his determination to succeed. Nicki's journey from Japan to South Korea is a testament to his passion for music and his commitment to the world of K-pop. Number 3. Momo. Hirai Momo is a prominent K-pop idol who hails from Japan, making her one of the idols who are not originally from South Korea. Born on November 9, 1996 in Kyoto, Momo rose to fame as a member of the popular K-pop girl group Twice. She possesses exceptional dance skills and is often celebrated for her mesmerizing stage presence. Momo joined JYP Entertainment through their 16 reality show in 2015, earning her a spot in Twice. which debuted later that year. Momo's contribution to Twice includes her impressive dance performances and her unique charm, which has endeared her to fans worldwide. She has played a pivotal role in the group's success, with numerous hit songs and albums to their name. Momo's journey from Japan to becoming a beloved K-pop idol showcases the global reach and appeal of K-pop, and she remains an inspiration to many aspiring idols beyond South Korea's borders. Number 2. Bam Bam. Bam Bam is a prominent K-pop idol who hails from Thailand. He gained immense popularity as a member of the South Korean boy group GOT7. Born on 2nd May 1997 in Bangkok, Thailand, Bam Bam initially moved to South Korea to pursue his dreams of becoming a K-pop star. He was scouted by JYP Entertainment and eventually debuted as one of the 7 members of GOT7 in 2014. Bam Bam is known for his exceptional dance skills, stage presence, and unique fashion sense. His charismatic personality and multilingual abilities, including fluency in Korean and English, have endeared him to fans around the world. Despite not being of South Korean descent, he has successfully carved a niche for himself in the K-pop industry and has also ventured into solo music and various entertainment projects. Bam Bam's journey in K-pop exemplifies the global nature of the industry, where talent knows no boundaries and artists from various countries can find success on the South Korean music scene. His international appeal has contributed to the growing diversity within K-pop, where idols from different nationalities and backgrounds have become beloved figures in the genre. Bam Bam's achievements not only highlight his talent but also serve as an inspiration to aspiring artists worldwide who dream of making it in the highly competitive world of K-pop. Number 1. Lisa. Lisa is a prominent figure in the world of K-pop, known for being a member of Blackpink, one of the most internationally acclaimed and successful K-pop groups. Despite her immense popularity in South Korea, Lisa hails from Thailand, making her one of the few known Korean K-pop idols to achieve such recognition. Born as Lalisa Manoban on March 27, 1997 in Buriram, Thailand, Lisa's journey to stardom is an inspiring tale of talent, hard work, and dedication. She initially moved to South Korea to pursue her dreams and join YG Entertainment, one of the leading entertainment agencies in the K-pop industry. Her unique dance skills, stage presence, and distinctive rap style quickly set her apart in the industry, and she became Blackpink's main dancer and lead rapper. Lisa's impact goes beyond the music scene. She is a global fashion icon and a brand ambassador for several high-profile fashion brands. Her charming personality and fluency in multiple languages, including Korean, English, Thai, and Japanese, have further endeared her to fans worldwide.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.